Hello everyone, this video is all about Juspay Payment Acquire. So in this module, Juspay integrate as a payment gateway in the Odoo. It enables secure and fast online payments for the order and the invoices. So let's see how this module will work. So we go into the website. After going into the website, we go into the configuration and payment provider and we will enable the Juspay. We'll enable the Juspay at the all the necessary details over here. After enabling the Just Pay, we go into the home page and we will go for the shop and we will select any product. Let's suppose I am selecting a warranty. We add this product to the cart and we will check out. And here you can see as a payment method we get the Just Pay. We select the Just Pay and we go for the Pay Now. And here we will get all the payment details via which medium we want to give. We have debit card, UPI, wallet, and everything. We will configure all the card details over here. After configuring the card detail, we proceed to pay. And here we have transaction state. Choose the status you want to simulate. We will go with as charge, and we will confirm the payment. And we confirm the payment. Here we can see status captured, and we will get a pop-up of your payment has been successfully processed. And then here you get one more page of that here. Thank you for your order, and order number is S00038. Now again we go into the website, and in the configuration page we have payment transactions, and here you can see the S00038, which is our order state is in confirmed, and here you can see the reference number, payment details, and the payment method is Juspay and the provider is Juspay. Here we have smart order boolean. We click on that smart order, and from here you can get all the details of the product, and from here you can download the PDF for the product of all the product details over here. So this is how this module will work. If you have any query or doubt regarding this module, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.